In primetime news this evening, living a nightmare. Families struggling to cope after a young woman is murdered by a close relative in St. Catherine.
A Milton mayhem. Florida rocked by killer hurricane, but Jamaicans spared the worst.
And mass shooting in Cassava P. St. Andrew leaves 1 dead and 5 others injured. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, things are heating up in Dancehall St. Anne. Another major company has officially opened another branch in the area. Plus, the World Bank gives its latest outlook on Jamaica. Those and more in the Business Day.
Thanks, you, Chizzy. I was going to say that. Thanks, Chizzy. Thanks, Chizzy. And Jermaine Brown, what's heating up in sports?
I'll tell you what, Archie. Well, things are heating up in Managua, this in Nicaragua, as the Reggae Boys, they'll be facing off against the host team this evening in a crucial CONCACAF Nations League match. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
I would have gotten tied tongue saying what he just said a while ago. Managra. Yeah. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are some of the things you do to protect your mental health?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail, right after the break.